Hi, everyone. My name is Christy Young, and I am your instructor for Sociology 203, Marriage and the Family. This course is often a favorite of students because it really talks about real life issues. In this course, we are going to look at families, we are going to look at marriages, we are going to look at how society impacts both of these. It's not just marriage and family. In fact, it's communication, it's fertility, it's sexuality, it's gender, it's so many different things. We wrap up with a unit on how to have an effective family and a successful marriage and family. So lots of great stuff that we'll talk about throughout the semester. And I often find that students enjoy it because of the fact that it relates to them. So I want to take a second and share my screen to show you how to navigate the Moodle course system if you're unfamiliar. Okay, so what you see here is our course shell. In the top two panes, you're going to find different information that you can click on to support your learning online this semester. There will be things from meeting me, your syllabus, which I am in the process of uploading right now, your course communications, how to contact me, the textbook materials. So all of these are support services. Additionally, you will be taking an orientation quiz in your first week. This is basically getting you to jump into the syllabus and to look for the different questions, the different important facts that will help you be successful, okay? As you can see over here on the left-hand menu, you can tab from week to week. The second pane is all about support services at SMC. So if you should need tutoring, if you should need the library, all of this is located here. Our student support services also address counseling and mental health needs. So a lot of great information here. Okay, so when you get into the actual content of the course, you'll see they're numbered by weeks. Week 1, this is going to be kind of the standard format of what to expect for each week. As you can see here, I've got a week 1 overview, which will be a very short video where I tell you what we're going to talk about this week. Okay, moving on, you will see a written short version of that, and then you will see the learning outcomes. So basically, the learning outcomes are going to address what you're going to see on the short quizzes that we have every week. They're probably only going to be about 10 questions, but they will give you a taste of what to expect for the portion of the final exam that is actually objective-based. And then you will see the task list. For each assignment, you are going to see a link that will take you in. So what I'm doing, at least for the first week, is I'm posting a video that's going to give you kind of a how-to, if you will, if you want to be successful. Okay, so each one you will do that. When you want to actually reply to a discussion board, you will click add a new discussion topic, and it will allow you to create a post. When you're done, you will just hit post to forum, and it will post your original post. Now, on the discussion topics, you are going to want to reply to your fellow students, and the video goes into that in terms of how the credit comes up from your original post versus your reply posts. So I definitely encourage you to look at that. Okay, so the second assignment that you have this week is your first writing assignment, and this is the definitions of the family. Again, you're going to see very similar to the discussion board where all of the information is there, and then you will see a rubric that kind of tells you how to get full credit. So basically, when I'm reading these, what am I looking for? I'm looking for you to apply and discuss the prompt. I'm looking for you to integrate class material and readings. I'm looking for you to use proper grammar, punctuation, have depth of commentary, use examples, and each of these are going to be worth 10 points each. Okay, so your grades are going to be 10 points available for the journals, 10 points available for the discussion forums. The prompt is what you see in the assignment description. So basically the first one, a family is subjectively defined. I want you to tell me about your family. I want you to tell me who does what roles they play, how that impacts your family, and then how society impacts your family. So as you can see, you're going to have the opportunity to do self-application as well as textual application. And that's my expectation for each of the journals. Okay, so if we go back to the homepage, other areas that myself as a student would find helpful is, that's a great, where mine says grade me, it will have your grades. So you can see at any point in time what your grade is in the class. My goal is to have journals graded within a couple days of them being submitted after the due date, and making sure that I am always giving you quick as possible feedback. So if you have any questions, I highly recommend you reach out to me. I know that this was a longer video, and so I hope that you managed to bear through it, but I also hope that it will be helpful in getting you started in a successful semester. Again, if you have any questions, please email me. Thanks.